Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya's Cake Fantasy. Today's cake is a very rich cake, that is rasmalai cake. So let's get started. I have already baked the cake. I'm just going to remove the cake from the tin. This is a 6-inch tin I have used here. So how to make basic sponge cake, eggless and egg cake, I have given link in the description box. You can check the video. Now I'm just removing the top part, just the top layer. We don't need the top skin over the cake, so I'm just trimming the top skin of the cake. So after removing the skin of the cake, now I'm going to give layers to my cake. I'm going to give 2 layers to my cake, so I will get 3 slices of cake. This cake is very special cake as it's my sister's birthday, so this rasmalai cake is for my sister. So special rasmalai cake for my sister. So done with my first layer. Now I'm just giving the next layer. While watching my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So our layers are ready now. Now I'm going to trim the last layer. I'm going to trim the skin of the cake from the back side. So whenever you are making the cake, try to trim the skin of the cake so that you will get a good taste of the cake. So coming Friday, I'm going to make something different cake for Onam special. So please guys, don't forget to watch my video. Now the layering part is finished. I have removed the skin of the cake. Now we are going to ice the cake one by one. This is the second layer I have used here. And I'm going to soak this cake with rasmalai syrup. So here the rasmalai syrup. It's a rasmalai juice over here. So instead of soaking it with normal water, I'm going to soak the cake with rasmalai syrup. So after soaking the cake, we are going to add some whipping cream, normal whipping cream. Then I'm going to smooth the cream. If you want, you can add rasmalai syrup into the whipping cream, but I have just used only plain whipping cream here. Now smooth the cream with the help of a palette knife. Now again I'm going to add the rasmalai syrup over here and some rasmalai pieces also. To get the perfect flavor of each bite, I'm going to add the syrup and the rasmalai pieces over here. I've used 2 rasmalai pieces over here. I'm just cutting into some pieces and I'm just applying to the cake. Now I'm going to place the next layer, which is the last layer. The third layer I'm going to place it over here. And I'm going to give some cream from the sides. This is very important step. You have to give cream from the sides to get proper height. And then I'm going to again repeat the process. Again place the layer, soak the cake and some rasmalai pieces. And again whipping cream. Now I'm going to refrigerate this crumb coated cake for half an hour. Now in my whipping cream, I'm going to add some yellow color, gel color. I'm adding color just to get the proper rasmalai color over here. So just a 2 drop of color and mix it nicely. Now after half an hour, again I am going to cover the cake with this yellow gel color whipping cream. Apply the cream from the sides. Always remember to apply the cream from the sides. Then we are going to place on the top so that you will get a nice height of the cake. Now using a scraper, I am going to give lines to the cake. So while doing this, your hand should be very light. Don't give any pressure to your hand. A very simple cake Design is up to you. You can give whatever design you want. Now remove the cream from the top using a palette knife. I'm going to remove the excess. Now for design, I have used 1mm nozzle over here, and I'm going to give a swirl design to my cake. For beginners, buy only 1mm nozzle right now. You can get a lot of designs with using this nozzle. Then with the same nozzle, I'm going to give star design from the sides and from inside as well. In center, I'm going to place the rasmalai. This is the small rasmalais over here. This is called Anguri rasmalai over here. So I have used a small one, not the big one. After placing the rasmalais, we are going to use some pistachios and badam for decoration. So I have chopped pistachios and badam over here, and I am just sprinkling on the top. You can also use dried rose petals over here also, but I have used only pistachios and badam. And from down also you can add pistachios and badam, and from sides also you can sprinkle badam and pistachio. So our pretty rasmalai cake is ready now. Thanks for watching.